Eggs. For runners and others, they're a great source of protein. And today on The Running Chef, we're going to go over how to cook those eggs in stainless steel. How to cook eggs perfectly.
Now look, I don't think I'm exaggerating when I tell you that there are psychological and social implications of not cooking your eggs right. For example, you don't want to disappoint anyone the next day after the night after, do you? But maybe the last one you see that person. Just saying. There are a lot of things you can do to make this right. Just follow my instructions and you're going to be fine. Trust me. All right, so that's my lecture. Enough of that. Let's get started.
The first thing we do is make sure that pan is nice and hot. Make it sizzling hot. The temperature setting should be somewhere around medium. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And once that's done, we're going to put a little butter in the pan and swirl it around the surface a little bit. Next, we're going to crack 2 eggs and space them out in the pan. Let's speed up the cooking here a little bit. So here you can see the steam being released from the eggs, and the translucent area starting to turn white. And if they happen to get too close, just separate them with a knife. Now with your spare hand, grab a piece of bread and let's make some toast. Some freshly ground pepper, you can see the translucent part of the egg starting to turn white. And every now and then you want to move the eggs around in the pan just to make sure they're not getting stuck. The eggs are almost done, so let's grab our toast. Eggs are done. Now it's time to plate our eggs. Perfect. And while we're here with the pan not too hot, let's take a paper towel and clean up that butter. It'll make cleaning the pan easier later on. Let's quickly add a little butter on our toast. And now it's time for your eggs to be eaten any way you want. And most people prefer to add their own salt. Trust me, these eggs will be eaten pretty fast. And trust me, you and your guest will enjoy these eggs. You know, people really do appreciate good eggs. Don't be surprised if the word gets around. what can happen when you cook your eggs right? Hey, thanks for watching.